This video is on how to make an extension board at home. For that you need one empty box like this, one 3-pin plug top, 5 pins, and this switch board, and require 10 meters of 1 square wire, 3 core. Now this switch and sockets are connected like this. After that, wiring is being done. Earthing, phase and neutral. Phase is red, green is earthing. See, you can see the green wire, red wire, and the black neutral, how they have been connected. They are being looped, green is looped from one point to other. This is the red wire going to the switch, then other switch. And these are the wires coming from the wire cord, 10 meters wire that is come to the switchboard. After doing proper wiring like this, you have to connect this 3-pin plug top to the other end like this. Three colors are there, red, yellow and black. After that you have to connect it from the back side. Connect this red to this point. After that comes the black wire. You have to close the 3-pin plug top now and connect the screw. Now you have to close the box. Take care of the wires. Now we are testing the switchboard. This test lamp is to be connected, first switch. You can see it is lighting. Then the second socket, it is lighting. The third socket we are testing now, it's lighting. So all three sockets are working. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.